Hello guys, so we are going to build a capacitive dropper circuit today, and let's do it. Basically, at first we have an AC power supply, okay, and then we have a capacitor and a resistor parallel, and I'm going to use this capacitor, okay, and for this resistor I'm going to use 100 kilo ohm resistor, and this is a 47 nanofarad capacitor. Okay, this is 47 nanofarad capacitor. I will be connecting it like so, okay, and here comes the resistor like so, and then let's keep it away. Again, for the neutral, this is live neutral, and here comes a resistor. This is 220 ohm, and this is 100k, and this is 47 nanofarad. Okay, this much is done, and then okay, now I'm going to add an inductor because I will see the reason. See, as I add a capacitor, right? So now the current leads by 90 degree. Okay, here current lags by 90 degrees. So after this, the current will be in phase to the voltage. I think it might or might not work. Okay, I think it may work. Let it be. Let's try it. I don't know, does it even work? But here comes a diode. I'm using a single diode to make a half wave rectifier. I'm not that interested in full bridge. Okay, and here comes a capacitor, an electrolytic capacitor. So let me show you that thing. Okay, this thing, it is rated for 160 volt and it's 68 microfarad capacitor, and here is the negative of it, this thing. So this terminal is negative and this is positive, and then I'm going to connect an LED after a resistor like so. Here comes an LED. This is the circuit, and let's build it. Before that, I have to explain the circuit, right? Now if it goes to this thing, this capacitor offers a capacitive reactance, okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 pi fc. Okay, here 2 pi fc, f is the frequency of AC we are using, this frequency. So in India we have 50 hertz, and this is capacitance of the capacitor. So here we have 47 nanofarad, so it's 47 nanofarad. How do you write it? Into 10 power minus 9. This is that. Okay, that's all we can. You just simply put the values and you will get the reactance, and you will get in ohms. Okay, same as this thing, but not the value. Okay, it will be quite large. And then this inductor, and this inductor is for power factor correction. It also offers a reactance which will be 2 pi fl. So I am going to use this inductor, which is approximately 57 millihenry, which is 57 into 10 power minus 3, 57 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. So then this capacitor is for ripple filtering, and this resistor emits the current, and then LED. That's all. Let's build the circuit now. Here is done. Now the thing which excites me a lot. Now let's add in capacitor like this. This is done, and then I have to add a resistor. This is 100k. Might not be clear though. 100k. Okay, this thing is done. Here is the 240 volt AC. We'll be adding it here. Safety. Okay, this thing is done. Now next is this inductor, this garbage inductor. I'm going to, so I have fixed it here. Now this is in series, here goes to the inductor, and then here it is. So now I have this diode. Okay, I am using this diode. Yeah, perfectly done. Now add a capacitor. See, okay, done. So this is done. Then comes the LED, and we have to do another thing, rest of the things. Okay, so here is the 220 ohm resistor, and this much is done. So now I push it down. Half of the circuit is done. Now I have to connect this thing. Now here comes this LED. Okay, turn it over here, then add this large resistor. Okay, now to the positive of this. Okay, this much is done. Then I have to connect it here. I use a jumper wire and another to the negative terminal, the diode, sorry, the light emitting diode, or LED in short. Okay, let me check the circuit now. Let's plug the circuit in. Okay, so here is the circuit. Let me turn it on. Okay, 3 2 1 go. Wow, beauty, it works. I did it. See, you shouldn't try this at home, okay? It's fatal because the circuit is not galvanically isolated. Now I turn off the circuit. See, okay, just play with that. So let's do some measurements, right? Like the voltage and those things you can measure with my beautiful multimeter. Here is the 240 volt AC. Okay, here the voltage drops, and this inductor is doing some power factor things, and this diode is rectifying things, and it's around 100 volts around here, and this large resistor is to limit the current. Then if I turn it on, it works. So here it is, 3 LEDs. Beauty. I have to show you the voltage. It's quite higher. That's why the large 100 kilo ohm resistor before the LED. Okay, so now I am measuring the voltage here. See, around 73, 74, 75. 76 and it's rising. 77, 78, 78 volts. Point 0.8 milliamps. Okay, so we have got it.